Hi, in this video we will see how to correct the texture of our shoe using Photoshop. We click on the Shading tab. Looking at the shoe, we see that there are stains on the texture. Let's open the 3D View Settings panel. Let's choose another HDR and increase its power. We note that, under the sole, we will also have to eliminate the support of the shoe from the texture. Let's open the shoe texture in Photoshop. Using the patch tool, we remove the stains on the toe of the shoe. Click on the File, Save As menu and save a new copy of the texture. Let's go back to Blender and frame the toe of the shoe. We click on the folder icon on the texture node. We select the image just saved and click Open Image to load it in place of the previous one. Let's go back to Photoshop and continue cleaning. We click the File, Save menu. Let's go back to Blender and load the image just saved to update the 3D view. We select a piece of sole using the lasso tool. Let's duplicate it using the copy and paste commands of the Edit menu. Let's move the new layer above the blue support. We add new copies of the layer by dragging it to the Add Layer icon. From the Layer Palette menu, we select Merge Visible to flatten all the layers. We select and copy another piece of the sole. We select the Edit Free Transfer menu and we go to cover one side of the support. We duplicate the layer and repeat the operation for the other side. To deform the selection, we hold down Ctrl while we move the control points. We join the levels and with the patch tool we correct the edges of the area. Let's save the image and go back to Blender. Let's reload the texture. Now that the texture is clean, let's save a new file from the File Save As menu. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. I remind you to subscribe to our channel not to lose any news. And I invite you to watch our videos for more information about My AR Studio.